Imagine holding the power of a high-end workstation in a box that fits in the palm of your hand. The tech world is buzzing because the Mac Mini M5 leaks are finally here. They point toward a massive shift in how we look at desktop computing. If you thought the recent redesign was a big deal, wait until you hear what Apple has planned for the internal hardware. The surprising new price structure is also a game changer. This isn't just a minor update. It is a total reimagining of what a budget-friendly desktop can do in the age of AI. The Mac Mini recently saw its first major design overhaul in over a decade. It shrank down to an ultra-compact footprint that looks like a Mac Studio, but in miniature. Since that new form factor is so fresh and popular, the upcoming 2026 M5 models will not change on the outside. Apple tends to stick with a winning design for many years. You should expect the same sleek and minimalist aluminum chassis. The real magic is happening under the hood with the M5 and M5 Pro chips. Early performance leaks and benchmark reports suggest a significant jump in speed. This could make current high-end PCs look slow. We are looking at single-core scores hitting over 4,200. Multi-core performance is reaching nearly 17,700 for the standard M5 chip. This is largely thanks to a new 10-core setup. It features 4 performance cores and 6 efficiency cores built on TSMC's advanced N3P 3nm process. This new architecture isn't just about raw speed. It is about efficiency and heat management. Leaked internal documents suggest a 3D stacked thermal design. This keeps the machine running cool even under heavy workloads. This is crucial for a device this small. It allows the chip to run at peak speeds for longer without thermal throttling. If you are a power user, the M5 Pro is where things get truly wild. The leaks indicate Apple is moving away from traditional efficiency cores in the Pro model. They are replacing them with a combination of high-performance cores and brand-new super cores. This shift could push multi-core scores toward the 28,000 mark. That puts it in the same league as the current M5 Max. Graphics performance is also getting a massive boost. The base model has 10 GPU cores and the Pro has significantly more. AI-driven tasks and heavy 8K video editing will be smoother than ever. We are talking about a 45% jump in GPU performance compared to previous generations. This is an insane leap for a single year. One of the most interesting and viral leaks involves a major change in storage and pricing. For years, users have complained about the Apple tax on storage upgrades. However, in 2026, it looks like Apple is finally listening. Currently, the Mac Mini starts at $599 with 256 GB of storage. Rumors from the supply chain suggest Apple is officially killing the 256 GB tier. The new base model for the M5 Mac Mini will likely start at $699, but it will come with a full 512 GB of storage as standard. While the entry price looks $100 higher on paper, it is actually a much better value. That storage upgrade previously cost $100. You are effectively saving money while getting a more capable machine out of the box. For the M5 Pro model, the value proposition is even stronger. We might see the baseline storage jump to a full 1 TB. This makes the Mac Mini M5 Pro a genuine Mac Studio killer for many creative professionals. Why spend $1,000 or more on a Studio when a $1,499 Mac Mini can handle almost the same workload? It also features Thunderbolt 5 connectivity. Yes, you heard that right. The M5 Pro model is leaked to include Thunderbolt 5. This offers blazing fast 120 Gbps transfer speeds for external drives and high-resolution displays. The timing of this release is also perfect. Apple turns 50 on April 1, 2026. While there is a lot of talk about a special anniversary event in early April, most reliable insiders like Mark Gurman are betting on a massive reveal at WWDC in June 2026. This would allow Apple to update its entire desktop lineup at once. This includes the iMac and the Mac Studio. If the June timeline holds, we could see pre-orders opening immediately after the keynote. The first units could ship to customers by mid-June. This update is also heavily focused on Apple Intelligence. The M5 chip features a revolutionary neural accelerator. It provides a 4x boost in AI processing. This means the 2026 Mac Mini will be the ultimate machine for running local large language models. You can use advanced AI photo and video editing tools without needing a cloud connection. It is a future-proof desktop designed to grow with the next decade of software. In my opinion, the M5 Mac Mini is going to be the best value computer Apple has ever released. The combination of the powerful M5 architecture is amazing. The generous jump to 512 GB of base storage and the inclusion of pro-level ports like Thunderbolt 5 makes it a no-brainer for everyone. Whether you are a student, a developer, or a creative pro, this machine offers more power per dollar than anything else on the market. If you have been waiting to upgrade your desktop, the M5 Mac Mini is definitely the machine to wait for. It is rare to see this much power packed into such a small and affordable package. It is set to dominate the market when it arrives this spring or summer. The M5 chip itself represents a major technical milestone. Moving to the third generation, 3nm process allows for higher clock speeds without increasing power consumption. This means your Mac Mini stays silent even when you are rendering complex 3D scenes or compiling massive software projects. The inclusion of the supercores in the Pro model is particularly exciting. These cores are designed to handle the most demanding single-threaded tasks with ease. This will result in a snappier feel across the entire operating system. Opening apps, browsing the web, and navigating through files will feel instantaneous. The unified memory architecture also seeing improvements. Higher bandwidth means the CPU and GPU can share data faster than ever before. This is the secret sauce that makes Apple Silicon so efficient. For creators, the GPU improvements are the headline feature. With hardware-accelerated ray tracing and mesh shading, the M5 Mac Mini becomes a viable gaming machine. It can also handle professional rendering tasks that used to require a bulky tower PC. Video editors will appreciate the updated media engine. It supports multiple streams of 8000 ProRes video. You can edit high-resolution footage directly from the timeline without waiting for proxies to generate. This saves a massive amount of time in the production workflow. The Thunderbolt 5 ports on the Pro model provide the bandwidth needed for high-end storage arrays and multiple 6K displays. This level of connectivity was previously reserved for the most expensive Macs. Now, it is becoming accessible to a much wider audience. The software side is just as important as the hardware. Mac OS Tahoe is being built from the ground up to take advantage of the M5's AI capabilities. This means features like system-wide writing tools, image generation, and advanced Siri integration will run locally on your device. This ensures your data stays private and the performance remains consistent. You won't have to worry about slow internet speeds affecting your AI workflows. The 2026 Mac Mini is truly a machine built for the future of computing. It bridges the gap between consumer devices and professional workstations. It is a testament to Apple's engineering prowess that they can fit this much performance into such a small footprint. As we approach the release date, the excitement will only continue to grow. The supply chain leaks have given us a very clear picture of what to expect. While there is always a chance of small changes before launch, the core specs seem locked in. The move to 512 GB of base storage is a direct response to user feedback. It shows that Apple is willing to adjust its strategy to stay competitive. The $699 price point for the base model is very aggressive considering the performance on offer. The wait until June might feel long, but it will be worth it. This is the desktop computer we have all been waiting for. It is the perfect blend of form and function. Get ready for a new era of desktop computing. The Mac Mini M5 is coming, and it is going to change everything. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tech update.